Hey YouTube, this is Andrew BMX17 doing a bike check on my new bike. Well, kinda new, semi-sorta new. So I'll start from the front. The stock Black Eye Renegade bars. I cut them down. I'm not sure what the length is, but they're comfortable. What? Go ahead and get the cat. That's my sister. Hi, Trina. Anyways, stock grips and bar ends. I'm not sure what they are either. And then I added these red Desert Skin donuts to it. The stock stem, which reminds me of a Stolen, so let's just call it that. It's really nice. Front load. Unsealed headset, but I'm thinking about putting my Diatech D-cup in here. Stock fork. Front rim is a Odyssey Hazard V3, and I drilled holes in it. I don't know if you can see that. To, like, lessen the weight. Make almost fell. Snafu knob job front tire, 100 PSI. Come here. The 2011 Black Eye Renegade frame. Stock clamp. Animal seat post. And FBM pivotal seat. I love this seat and post. My purple Eastern nylon pedals. I got Profile Racing LE cranks in here, 19mm sealed. And then my Atomic sprocket, 25 tooth. And then the newest thing that I own is a Alienation Black Sheet laced to a Alienation Rush free coaster. I love it. I just got it and I just rode it for a couple minutes tonight after I got it working. But it's smooth. Hopefully I can have a video up within the next few days of me riding it and trying to get used to it. I kinda kicked some butt, 100 PSI rear tire, and my demolition pegs front and back. Everything's sealed on the bike except for the headset, and the bike weighs 24.3 pounds. Still need to buy a half-length chain, but that's nothing major. So yeah, leave a comment and subscribe for some decently good BMX videos and all that stuff.